morning. Day 3 of our Japan adventure has dawned, and today promises to be filled with incredible sights and experiences. As we set out, we crossed the Rainbow Bridge, a familiar sight from our time in Odaiba, offering a picturesque view across the river Sumida. Now we are on our way to Mount Fuji. Japanese countryside unfolded before us, with quaint villages, small mountains, and traditional houses dotting the landscape. Our anticipation grew as we caught our first glimpse of Mount Fuji, its majestic peak shrouded in clouds. Along the way, we encountered a road that sang as a vehicle traversed it, a truly unique experience that added to the magic of our journey. A very unique experience. There were lots of snow on both sides of the road. The zone around the road is thick jungles and is called Suicide Zone, as many a people come here to commit suicide. Arriving at the base of Mount Fuji, we were greeted by inclement weather that prevented us from ascending beyond the first station. Nevertheless, we marveled at the mountain's grandeur and learned about the various stations that mark the ascent to its summit. There are 10 stations at Mount Fuji, and you can go by car up to 5th station at 2,400 meters. The climbing distance from the 5th station to the summit is approximately 5 kilometers, and the same trail is used for both ascending and descending. Next, we made our way to Hakone. Distance of Hakone from Mount Fuji is approximately 38 kilometers, and it took us 30 minutes to reach there by car. Hakone is a mountainous town known for its hot springs, resorts, and view of the iconic volcano Mount Fuji. Our excitement peaked as we caught sight of Lake Ashi, also referred to as Hakone Lake or Ashinoko Lake, a scenic crater lake offering unparalleled vistas of the iconic volcano. This scenic lake is in Hakone area of Kanagawa Prefecture in Honshu, Japan. It is a crater lake that lies along the southwest wall of the caldera of Mount Hakone, a complex volcano. You can get great views of Mount Fuji and take unique boat tours across the lake. From Lake Ashi, we are heading toward Mishima Station to catch bullet train to Kyoto. We indulged in a delicious chicken burger from Moss. At Mishima Station, we picked up our reserved tickets from kiosk. We entered the station. Navigating the station was a breeze, with crucial information displayed in English, ensuring a smooth experience for travelers like us. Our train ticket, train 735, seat 4B, are all in English. Our train, Kodama 735, arrived ready to whisk us away to our next destination at speed of 300 kilometers per hour. There are 3 types of bullet or Shinkansen train. Nozomi is the fastest, Hikari is next fast, and Kodama is slowest, with stops in most of the stations. The average speed is 300 km per hour. Our train to Kyoto is Kodama 735 at 3:55 p.m. As we settled into our seat, excitement coursed through us, eager to embark on the next leg of our unforgettable journey through Japan.